Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Loren again. Today we're going to be going over one of our special buy DreamCloud beds that we purchased, and it's a great deal right now. And these are actually bed in the box. So you've heard a lot of maybe about bed in the box, buying online. Is it worth it? And I can tell you so far, we sell about 90 of these a month. Great bed so far. And consumers love this bed. DreamCloud offers a great warranty, 365 days as far as like testing it out. They're really easy to work with as far as retailer goes, and their return policy is awesome. So let's dive into it. This first layer, it's actually basically 5 main layers. Your first layer is a Cashmere infused quilt. So really nice, and again, this is rolled up really tight when you first get this bed, and as you undo it, you can see this has been on our floor for a little while, but it actually, within a few hours, it's actually going to look just like this. But firstly, you have a Cashmere infused quilt, nice comfort there. Then you have 3 different layers of memory foam. Those 3 different layers are for comfort, support, and just to make sure that you're kind of sleeping nice and you get that support where you need it. And then underneath that, you have individually pocketed coil springs. So that you get the support from underneath the springs on top of your 3 inches or 3 different layers of memory foam, and then you have the Cashmere infused quilt on top. Really cool bed. They come in a box just like these that we have behind here, and we're shipping these across the US, guys, so we can ship direct to you, and we can get you sleeping well. But thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next week.